gathered a lot of trash in my life that it resulted to these. All these trash. All these stuff. 5 years. Man, I need to clean my room. Because all these needs to go somewhere. Trying the minimalist life, I meant. Okay, good luck to me. Let's start. Hey, bye. I just got back from holidays and downtime. I had a brief downtime earlier because I was sick and I wasn't feeling well. And this morning also I went back to work at last, but I was tired to vlog. The weather was so cold, like it was fog this morning. I just had one clip. I'm gonna post it now. Check it out. Yeah, that's it. And then thing is, I did get to vlog. I'm home now, trying to fix my files up here. And yeah, also I received a parcel. Thank you, Sean, for getting it for me. It's for my skateboard. I can't find my favorite Swiss Army knife, so I'm using this one. I'm gonna open it now. Ready? Okay, apparently I was planning to film on 4K, but forgot to press the 4K in that button. We'll just sell for 1080p today. I'm not comfortable with this knife. I'm comfortable with my Victorinox. It was given by Yuri. Thanks, Yuri. It's not sharp. Just gonna tear it off. Hand-to-hand combat. I'm so weak. So here it is. The motor. Just the motor. No instructions. Just the box and the motor. Came from China, of course. That's one of the reasons I want to boost it, because it comes from the US and they're really good quality. Okay, the motor that they have given to me is the same motor. It has everything on it. So, where's my old motor? Far out. Where's my board? There it is. So this is the old motor that I have. This is the new one. The new one has everything. And yeah, should be fine. I'll start to install it. Okay, so I have to go out to get my stuff. It's so dark, nights it's so dark. So I have to go out to get my stuff. It's not my key. Okay, let's go. So I don't know if this is gonna be bright or it's gonna be dark, but I'm just testing the quality of this camera on vlogging at night. I know the Sonys are good with the low light, but let's see how this goes. So yeah, it's been a foggy day today, the whole day, today, this morning, this evening. So yeah, it's quite difficult to drive.